Hey, it's Ryan with Upfit Supply. I want to show you these rear grab handles that we have installed here from Legend on the back of our RAM ProMaster. These are a steel grab handle. They're powder coated in a high visibility yellow finish. They install pretty easily. You just expand some existing holes that are in the back of the van, put in some plus nuts, and then set your bolts in place. It's a kit that includes everything that you need to attach these to the van. They are van specific, so these only work with the ProMaster, although they do have them available for the Ford Transit as well. These are just gonna help give you some stability as you're making that step from the ground into the van, something to hold on to, something to improve the safety of your fleet. Speaking of fleets, if you want these painted in a specific color to match your branding or whatever, we can also do that, so just be sure to reach out to us. Now, if you're looking for these rear grab handles or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.